This is a short tutorial to show you how to review feedback from your instructor on quizzes. The lab assignments you are going to have this semester are going to be mainly using the quiz tool. Select the activities title at the top of the page, click on it, and scroll down to quizzes. Click on the quiz title, and it will take you to the list of quizzes or labs that are offered for the semester. Locate the one that you wish to review the comments on. Beside it, you will notice there is another drop-down menu, and you can select Submissions. This will take you to the assignment that you submitted, and you can review the feedback or comments provided by your instructor. If you accidentally click on the title of the lab or the quiz, it will take you to the page where you initially submitted your assignment or accessed your assignment to complete it. So basically it is thinking that you are trying to complete the assignment again. Either way, you can still click on the drop-down menu beside the name and click on Submissions, and it will take you to what you have already submitted. This is the only location where you can find the feedback from your instructor. Please review the feedback in the comments because it's going to help you to do better on the next lab assignments. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful.